guys, Susan with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. I just posted a picture on our community tab of 3 new packages that just arrived via United States Postal Service. And you know the routine around here on Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. We gotta open them on video. Our trusty opening knife. And 1, 2, 3 packages. I don't know which to open first. It's cold here today, you guys. It's really sunny and nice. Other than that, let's see what we got. Not the best lighting in the world, is it? I get way back here, maybe. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. The boss is out on a side job. He had the day off from the lumber yard, but okay, guys. I'm excited because I think it's, y'all, hang on, there are 2 of them. Thank you. I have so many receipts now in the drawer. And I'm so sorry, I can't remember the name of the person who sent the one for patches. She has not regurgitated ever since that bowl. I started to say ever since it arrived. Ever since her first feeding. No, Willow. Ever since her first feeding. You guys know Willow. She's got to be in the big middle of everything. Ever since Patch's first feeding from that 15-degree tilt. She's biting my finger. Why are you... Anyway, Willow, baby, get down. Get down, please. Mommy's doing... Willow, get down. Mommy's doing something. I'm trying to do something. Anyway, ever since her very first feeding from that special bowl, a cat who has regurgitated at least once a day immediately after eating for, well, I don't want to overestimate, but a year or more would be an honest guesstimation. I'm trying to find these. So, I mean, I'm not, you know, they're not a sponsor. I don't represent this company or anything. These are just items I had placed on the wish list, hoping that somebody would pick one of the colors and send one for my baby Pretty Patty Patches for her regurgitation problem, because having read the product info and so on and so forth, which I do for everything before it go, you know, I don't just look at a picture and go, oh, I want this. You know, I read about it and whatnot so that it's not just frivolous, other than the baby duck, which the Ninja Kittens have right now. But y'all, I can attest, at least for Pretty Patty Patches, Thank you, Ginger Snap. Thank you, Ginger Snap. You know what, Ginger? Since you sent two, I've been wanting to pick up the two graniteware, the navy blue graniteware dishes that the 4 Ninja Kittens eat from. They each, you know, 2 eat from each one. That graniteware was my brother Roy Dale, who died in 1999. And so Ginger Snap, honey, I'm going to use replace that graniteware with, and y'all, I want to get the other packages open, but I wanted to show you that Ginger Snap sent 2, and I'm going to use them for the 4 Ninja Kittens. One of them, coincidentally, in the last week or so, has developed a regurgitation problem. So, but I guess 2 cats out of 22 having that problem isn't all that bad. On the wish list, I've also put on there the, it's a special food, it's Purina, but it's a special food for cats who have digestive issues, if anybody is interested in that. So we have it's a whole pack of breakaway pet collars. I'm sorry the lighting is so poor. Box Casa, Angel Cat, Memorial Gifts, Ornaments. Oh, wait. That's something else. These are from Ginger Snap. Thank you, Ginger Snap. Upgraded version, reflective cat collar with bell, set of 6. Solid and safe colors for cats. I've been wanting collars. None of the cats except the ninjas wear them. The ninjas' collars are worn. I mean, they're still okay, but they're a bit worn. I've also been wanting to have enough collars for the outdoor kitties to be able to have their tags on. Because, see, hang on just a second. I hope I have enough storage. If this ends abruptly, it's because I've run out of storage. But, and I'll just go ahead and upload it anyway, and then start, you know, do another video. But, okay, y'all. Here's why I was asking for collars, and especially breakaway is important. Look. Oops. This is why I'm asking for collars. The indoor rescues, not so important because they never go outside. But this says from Ginger Snap here again. And you guys know that Mommy, Bob and I called her Mommy. We'd say, come here, Mommy. Or you want to go outside, Mommy? You want to come in, Mommy? You want to go feed the kittens, Mommy? And but her name on her records was Ginger Snap, a namesake for Ginger Snap, who sent these gifts. There's a long story with Ginger Snap on my other channel and other channels in a completely different genre, in the missing children genre. But there's a suction cup. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm getting emotional. And a chain, because I feel like, oh, y'all know that I found Ginger Snap the day after I found Onyx not alive. Ginger Snap was in the ditch line, and as one of you in comments said, and it really touched my heart, she was almost home, but it appears she had been hit by a car. I wasn't able to bring myself to go look at her closely. Bob rushed home from work, and I'm sorry, and he took her away for me. But from Ginger Snap's mommy's namesake, or the woman for whom she was the namesake. Thank you. I still haven't dismantled her sleeping box. I just can't. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry. Thank you, Ginger Snap, for your love and generosity for furry feline monsters and mass destruction. So let's get this open, because I'm terribly emotional right now, and I feel a little bit embarrassed. But you're my internet cat rescue family, and you guys were there to share the trauma and experience of the loss of both Onyx and Ginger on 2 consecutive mornings. So let's see what we have here. Well, here's the thing that says what it is, and it's the floppy fish. So maybe it's good that we open this last, because... But where's the thing that tells us who sent it? Who sent the floppy fish? Ginger Snap, is it from you as well? But just... y'all, I'm sorry, I'm discombobulated. And I'm about to have... if you'll pardon the language, I'm about to have snot come out my nose. It's to Susan Brewer. Not Bob and Susan. Y'all, there's not the thing that says who sent it. But it is the... It can be really challenging to get these to focus. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get it to focus. 2-pack 11-inch flopping fish cat toys with silver vine and catnip cat kicker cat toys for indoor cats. There are 2 of them? Get out sent, babies, whoever sent these, please leave a comment. And y'all, listen, I've been telling you and asking you in the videos here on Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction, please leave a comment, even if it's just, you know, a little laughing emoji or something, because as I say over and over again, like, oh, I wish you would stop saying that, but we are a very tiny, grassroots, organic cat rescue channel. We're in North Central Arkansas on Greer's Ferry Lake. It's just me and my husband. I'm an old retired lady on Social Security. He works at the lumber yard. And we didn't mean to become cat rescuers, but we love cats and it just happened. So we started the channel in hopes that there would be good-hearted people out there who would send wonderful items. Mostly food is what we were, at which you guys send. But I put things on the wish, you know. But we want to, your comments help the channel grow. A like and a dislike, or a like or a dislike helps the channel grow. Subbing, of course, obviously, helps the channel grow. And we want to get to, the requirements. We want to be able to fulfill the requirements to monetize this channel and to have members for the kitty cats. Okay? But anyway, I got so excited. I'm not asking you guys to get them. I will go to Dollar General or someplace and get them. But I have to have more of the things that these plug into, whatever they're called, a port or whatever, to charge, the charging part. I have some, but we've run out of them. With the wonderful fountains you guys have sent, they require them, and the little duck and whatnot. Check it out. I would gladly display them for you now in action. However, they obviously must be charged. So there will be a charging of the floppy fish. We'll use this one for the Ninja Kittens because it matches my office decor somewhat. We will use this one, the more natural colored one. Not that this is for this part of the house, for these kitties. So I'm going to charge them up. Boom, 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 boom. Da! I'm going to... Please leave a comment and tell me who sent these. They're soft. They're soft, and of course you can't tell the texture, but it's, I can't think what this fabric would be called. It's not felt. It's real, it's nice. It felt good. All right, I'm going to charge them up, and then later on, if the boss isn't too tired after his side job, we'll put the new cat tower together. Oh, which, by the way, Brandy B and other viewers, everybody, I was wrong about it being the one I had asked for the shorter tower in the living room, because I went ahead and opened it. I didn't take anything out. I just opened the box. I didn't even like anything. Promise. But it's pewter. It's gray. That means it's actually the one that I asked for the master bedroom. Because I'm asking for them in colors that whatever room they're going to be. Blah, blah, blah. Now I'm just droning on and on and on and on. Meow, 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 meow. Yes, I do know the tune. But I might get a copyright claim. But I guess I could do it anyway. Meow 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 meow. This has been Susan, and a little cameo by Will-O-Wisp from Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. Thank you for everything. The tears and the smiles, your love, and everything that you do for the kitties. Even just viewing. Even just viewing. But please consider subbing. If you do, think about hitting that all notifications bell, because once in a great while, we do go live over here on Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. We love you all. Thank you. Tears and smiles comes with the territory.